Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Kingdom Come Deliverance 2 is stuck on black screen. So in order to solve this problem, you can try various methods. The first method is simply restarting your PC. Go to your search bar, click on the shutdown icon and click on restart. That will instantly remove all temporary caches or files that would have been stored up and could be causing a problem. Now, another way to solve this problem is simply restarting the game. You can simply navigate to your game, close it and restart it, and that could solve your problem. Another way to solve your problem is simply opening any browser and typing in update graphics driver. Hit enter and it is going to show you different graphic drivers page. So for example, if you have an NVIDIA graphic card, click on the download the official NVIDIA drivers link and it is going to take you to this page. Here you can manually search drivers, select the product category, then you can choose what kind of card you have. After that, choose the Windows, your language and click on find. After you click on find, you will find different search results where you can easily update your graphic driver. Here, you can click on view and download the updates if it is necessary. Now, you can also choose the Intel one. Just go back on this page, choose Intel. Here, click on get started. That would automatically update your drivers and software. So, updating your drivers is the most crucial part that could instantly solve your problem in no time. And if your problem is still persisting, what you'll have to do is simply open any browser and type in contact Kingdom Come Deliverance, hit enter, then scroll down and navigate to the link that says epicgames.com Kingdom Come Deliverance Game Support. Click on that link and it is going to take you to this page. Here, you can easily contact the Kingdom Come Deliverance team and ask for support. So you can contact the support team at this email. Click on this email. It is going to open up email on your PC. Choose an application, and type in your problem. After you type in your problem and explain them the situation, they would instantly send you some custom tailored solutions for your problem. That is how you solve your problem. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.